ESCAPADES. So in this video we are going to show you how to apply for SHA or SHIF on the Afya Yangu platform. So first of all, you'll have to search for afyayangu.go.ke, whereby you'll come to this landing page whereby there is the login page, the register. Also, you can also update your phone number if you have changed your phone number while considering maybe you registered with a different phone number. But for this case, you are first going to register for a new SHA account. So you're going to select if you are a Kenyan, foreign resident, refugee. You're going to input your ID number on the specified box below, as shown below. Then from there you're going to indicate your first name. Then after you have indicated the first name, you're going to indicate your phone number like that, and you're going to proceed to next. Then from there you're going to receive an OTP code into your phone number, which you're going to enter on the provided space for the OTP, and you're going to press on proceed. Once you proceed, you are going to be prompted to enter a 4-digit code that is supposed to be your secret code to enter into the SHA platform. So once you put the pin, you're going to proceed. Then you're going to come to this particular page whereby it's the registration page and the biometric verification page. So from there you're just going to continue to proceed, and once here you're going to see your details such as your name, your ID and all that. From there you're going to choose your employment status and if you're single or not. Then from there you're going to also indicate your PO box and zip code, and if you want you can also indicate your email. From there you're going to indicate your current residential address. So in this case you're going to indicate it as Roiro. Yes. Then from there you're going to indicate your county, the county that you are applying this application from. So in this case we are applying from Kiambu, the sub county is Roiro, and the word is Biashara word. And afterwards we're just going to press on next. So it's going to bring us to the official landing page of the Afya Yangu. This means that you have already entered the Afya Yangu platform. So in this case we are going to proceed on to means of testing. This applies if you are self-employed, so that it can calculate your monthly premiums depending on how you answer the specified questions that will come after this particular section. So once you just continue to processing and press on refresh, so that it can take you to the particular section whereby you're going to answer these particular questions. So I would advise you answer the particular questions in maybe the order that I'm giving, so that you can get a lower premium. So it's asking maybe your highest level of education. So you have to note that if you answer the questionnaire as if you are highly educated, or you have a lot of money, the more the premium you're going to pay. But that's just a disclaimer. Yeah, you don't have to take my word for it, but that's just a disclaimer. So as you can see, I'm answering these questions. Where do I live? Do I live in a flat, in a mansionette, or in a shanty? So as you can see, that's question number 5. From there, question number 6, how many rooms in your household are used for sleeping? Do you rent or do you own? What is the predominant roofing material in your house? So I'm answering all these questions. So if you were to follow my guide here, your premium will be either 500 or 600, roughly between that. But if you would answer them in another way, you might get a premium of 1,000 to 4,000, which I know most of you watching this video maybe don't want to have such a big premium. So yeah, so let's continue answering the question. We are in question number 8. What is the predominant roofing material of the main dwelling or unit? So as you can see, I'm still answering the questions. From there, what's your main source of drinking water? You answer that. Do you use which type of latrine do you use? which type of electricity do you use. Then from there, which type of what do you use to cook. Then from there, does your household have a fridge? Do you have livestock? Do you receive any cash transfers from the government? All those you say none. Do you have land? You can say none. The total size of land in acres for agriculture, also say none. Then from there, it's going to ask you which phone do you use. For my case, I said the Kabambe. The average airtime you use per month, 10 shillings. How much do you transact in a month? I said 100, and I hereby declare that the information is accurate, and I proceed to next. Then from there, as you can see, it has given me my premiums, which is 600, which is 7,200 per year. So if I wanted to proceed to go and pay for that, I'll just click on proceed, and it will take me to this particular landing page. So from there, you can also update your income. If you become employed afterwards, you can also add your dependents in that particular section. And the other section next to that is the next of kin. You can add your next of kin there, and also your address. And also there is a health facility section, which is not very active as at the recording of this video. Then from there, you can also download your application down there, and I'm also going to show you how the application looks like before the end of the video. So guys, I hope this video has been informative enough, and I hope you like this video. Subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell so that you can know once we upload another video on how to by the Escapades. So once you are done, you can just log out out of the Afya Yangu, and as you can see just below, this is how the official Afya Yangu document looks like. Once you have completed your registration, you're supposed to get such kind of a particular thing. So thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.